What's up, beautiful souls? Soft Life Summer is officially loading, and we are not starting with something boring. Today, I'm making the salad that has been all over my feed, and honestly, it deserves every single view. We're talking watermelon, feta, mint, lime, and my little Rabia Unfolded twist that's going to make you obsessed. This comes together in 10 minutes. It looks like something out of a magazine, and it tastes like pure summer in a bowl. So, my people, if you're ready to eat well and live soft this season, then let's get into it. For the ingredients, I'm going to be listing the exact measurements in the description box below. So, please feel free to check it out. But let me walk you through the ingredients right now. So, I'm going to be using my watermelon, which is the main star of the show. And then I have with me here some extra virgin olive oil, ground black pepper, some salt to taste, some mint leaves for that extra brightness and flavor, some onions, some lime, and my feta cheese, which is equally another star of the show. And yes, of course, I'm going to be using my Rabia Unfolded chili flakes as an optional ingredient. Check out my video on how to make homemade chili flakes with 3 different methods and let me know which one's your favorite method. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare my ingredients. Please make sure you're washing your ingredients before using them. First, I'm going to start by cutting the upper parts of my mint leaves and setting them aside for that garnish.
From my kitchen to your screen, little moments in between. Love is in the things I do. Every flavor tells the truth. From Cameroon roots so deep to the life.
Then I'll go ahead and chop the remaining mint leaves and set them aside too.
This is life, this is home.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and wash my lime, cut it into half, and then I'll squeeze out all the juice from the lime and set the lime juice aside too. Next, my onions. I'll cut my onions, take off the dry outer layers, give it a good rinse, and then I'll slice it into those nice thin slices and set it aside too. I always like to reduce the sharpness of my onions, so I'll go ahead and soak my onion slices in cold water for about 5 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and drain the water after before I use it.
Rabia Unfolded.
And now to the main deal, my watermelon. I'll cut my watermelon into half since I'm only going to be using half. Then I'll set the other half aside. Then, for me to be able to come out with these nice medium-sized cubes, I like cutting my watermelons into like this large round sizes. That way it will make it easier for me to cut them into cubes. Just watch and follow along.
Rabia Unfolded, where my world comes alive. African
Okay, so now I'll cut my watermelon into clean medium cubes, not too small. I just want to keep them juicy and beautiful. I think this is the easiest method you can use to cut your watermelon into cubes. If you think otherwise, please do let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite method of cutting your watermelon into cubes. So in a nice clean bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and measure my watermelon cubes in my measuring cup and put them in a bowl just the quantity that I want for this recipe. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead, drain off the water from my sliced onions and add them in the watermelon cubes. Next, I'll add in my sliced mint leaves, my feta cheese, my lime juice, drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle in a pinch of salt to taste, a little bit of ground black pepper, and finally, I'll gently toast the bowl until everything combines, making sure I don't mash my watermelons. And yes, I'm not going to forget my Rabia Unfolded chili flakes, but I'll be adding those later. If you're serving this for later, please chill for like 20 to 30 minutes before you serve. And that, my beautiful souls, is your soft life summer salad. Honestly, if you told me about a year ago that watermelon and feta cheese would be my personality, I would not have argued. This salad is giving everything. It's giving sweet, salty, fresh, a little spicy if you went for those chili flakes. Basically, it's a whole vibe in a bowl. Make this for your next barbecue, your picnic, your brunch, or just a hot Tuesday afternoon. You deserve it. If you tried this recipe, comment below and tell me what you think. And don't forget to add your own twist to this recipe. Like this video if it helped, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Soft life forever. Cheers.